I'm sure you've heard the news. A massive earthquake just shook Afghanistan. The destruction is overwhelming and the numbers keep rising. Let's break down what happened. A powerful 6.0 magnitude earthquake struck just outside Jalalabad. Rattling the province of Nangarhar. Rattling the province of Kunar the hardest. The impact? Over 800 lives lost, and countless homes reduced to rubble. The tremors were so strong, people felt them as far away as Kabul, almost 140 kilometers from the epicenter, and even across the border in Pakistan. Right now, rescue teams are racing against time. Desperate families are racing against time, searching